Here we go.
All right. Now, when I got the car, I did not notice that the rear bumper, it looked as if it had been somehow, it is askew. It had been hit. I pulled it off. You notice this one is down a little bit. It should be twisted this way. I couldn't, it's part of the frame, obviously, but I think it can be straightened, not without too much problem. The paint, I do have the parts that fit inside the wooden deck. I have not been restored. Let's see, a spare fuel pump. As you can see, the paint here on this is not the best. Got some damage to the side. The fellow that owned it before blew a tire. The tire stripped off the rim and caused this paint damage here, which makes no difference now. I got hit by an egg last 3-4 Halloweens ago, and that tire, bang, 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 caused this dent here. As far as interior goes, the restoration was started, but of course, having sat for a little while because of various and sundry other reasons, it's in sort of a state of suspended, what do they call it? Decay?
Gauges.
Gauges, I have all the gauges, and spares. I have spare gauges too. I don't know, I can't remember why. A couple of water gauges, another oil pressure gauge. The vacuum gauge had a clock in it. I have a clock. Oh, there's a blank here. I have a clock that fits in there. Unfortunately, none of these work at this point, so they'll have to be rebuilt. But I do have, I believe, 2 tacks. I'm not quite sure.
Okay, continue on.
Okay. And as far as this goes, the engine goes, and I don't know why this happened, but the individual that owned the car before me had, because of the car's overheating tendencies, had taken and cut out, let me point this out and see if you can see it, portions of the fender well to vent air, so to get a better airflow through the car. I can't tell you if this worked, but I know it sure made it look like hell. And here's another piece over here, the same. I do have the pieces. They could possibly be flanged back on. But
There you go. You can see it better in this direction.
yeah, you can see that through it over here.
Oh yeah. Interesting. Okay.
Something.
All right. Well, I think that's
A spare windshield wiper motor too.
and the spare windshield wiper motor. Fantastic.
The radio comes with the car.
I'm going to turn this off, and then we'll crank it one more time, and then